VRNA is going to be my main watch today, my main focus today. I like this one. So VRNA, 5 million in float stock here, almost in float rotation. The pre-market. It's a high IO name. You see the institutional ownership is 31% insider ownership is pretty good there too. 42%. So I do like some of the statistics on it. At ETC clearing at center point, it was easy to borrow. For me, there was some borrows, at the regular center point locate box this morning, but they're now gone. I know you guys said trade zero. They're gone. And let me know, guys, if that comes back. If it locates, pop back open on VNRA. So, some of the statistics on it on VRNA. I know they had a price target too of $50. I know it doesn't mean that much, but sometimes it just brings in some hype, right? $50 price target. They raised $200 million in financing, so it could just bring in some hype, right? As far as dilution wise, they do have a $200 million ATM. They haven't tapped into that yet, so I'm sure they're going to be looking to use that in the near future. We'll keep that watch on VNRA. I do like it for a watch trap and squeeze pattern today. Same plan, guys. I'd like to see a morning pop maybe into like 980, 990, maybe 10. Ultimately fail. I do not want to see this thing break over pre-market highs. It's going to let shorts out, right? I don't want to let shorts out. So that would be ideal. Morning pop fails into that area, comes back on down to, I kind of wrote 790, 725. It could bottom out around $8.20. So anywhere between that, 725 is my backside line on it. So 725 backside line. We have the 750 support too. I know those lines are pretty close there. 875 is our current support at the moment. We have 10 overhead and then 1080. Looking at the daily, I think if we break over so we do have some daily resistance at like this $13 mark. 1289 was a high that day. But if we break over that 1289, we don't really have much resistance there. We have some clear skies to go. And VRNA could do it, right? 5 million in float stock, in this price range we've been seeing. A lot of this price range stocks, $8, $9, $10 stocks, start to be pretty hot lately, right? So I like it. I do like VRNA today. Again, guys, just going off my statistics, right? Going off my checklist, knowing what stocks give me edge, and I see some edge for myself on VRNA today. I know we did, fade a couple of days on these gap ups. See this day here. Did squeeze a little bit though, 910 to 1289. That's not bad, but ultimately did close below that open 650s. Only traded 6 million shares though, right? We're pretty much, almost doing more than that in the pre-market. So, we'll see here on VNRA. I like it, and we'll see if it sets up into the open for a wash trap and squeeze pattern today. So that's it. So you guys remember how thin that one was, right, on GENE? Obviously, GENE traded 300 million shares, but could get pretty thin here, right? So we'll see. Remember too, GNE started off weak, right? Remember, the bids look weak. So right now, same thing on VRNA, right? The bids look weak, right? Doesn't really look like there's much going on there on the bid side, right? So price action looking weak, looking sluggish out of the open, and this is good, guys. Morning pop, right? Failed. So far, so good. So I'd like to see, some more flush on it. Kind of break this pre-market structure. So I'm really hoping we flush a little bit more, guys, on VNRA. I'd like to see this thing trap. I do like it. Nice. There we go. Nice. Lower the better. Lower the better. It's not really pulling this area so far. It's holding pretty good so far here on VNRA. Still early. It's 9:34. No, I'm not looking to short VNRA. You know, I like it for a potential long. I do. You know, I would like to see some follow through on it. Maybe back down to like 850s. And so far, guys, price action's not bad on it. Not bad on it, right? It's still feeling free flowing, guys, right? Doesn't feel like there's a seller in there, right? Feels free flowing. RMBL guys halted. RMBL halted on the side note, but we're staying free flowing here on VNRA. Not staying heavy. So VWAP's at 9:45. With like maybe like 10, 15 more minutes of maybe some consolidation. See if we can make a wave one. Yeah, me too, Strider. I like it for a long. I do. Yeah, lower the better, guys. Lower the better here. Lower the better. All right, guys. So just watching here, right? Being patient. So far, price action, VNRA, again, like I said, not too bad. Not too bad here. It's free flowing. It feels like you could definitely, you know, see it swiping. At least I could see it swiping, right? You see how thin it gets at times on VNRA, right? This is different, right? You know, then we get the morning opens and the stock staying heavy, right? Hasn't really been any points where I would say VNRA is like being really heavy. You know, wouldn't you guys kind of agree with that? Simple man. VNRA reclaim my long. Yeah. That's it, man. Robotic, right? Just staying, sticking to your plan, right? Sticking to your setups. That's all. That's what it's about, guys. Can't have fear of losing. All right, guys. So maybe one more leg down here on VNRA. Let's see. Kind of changed my kind of my thoughts on it a little bit in terms of like, you know, levels now on VNRA. I probably wouldn't want to see it come much lower than 8 now. You know, it wouldn't be too bad if we like hold this 850 level, which we are doing so far. But it feels really trappy to me, guys. I could be wrong. I could be dead wrong, but it feels pretty trappy to me the way it's trading. Feels like feels squeezy. Let's see. Right back at 850. Good. I like how the snake's kind of avoiding it. He probably thinks the float's like 9 million, whatever trade idea says. So this would kind of be your like if you guys like it. This would kind of be your early starter levels around this 840, 830s, kind of versus $8. So if you guys really like it, just kind of be like your early starter levels. Again, same thoughts as yesterday, right? Early starters, you guys know, risky, right? You're buying something that's downtrending, that's falling. But that, right there, that dip kind of would have been like your early starter level right there. All right, guys. So I actually did pick up a little there, right around 840s. Picked up a little bit. Just getting my feet wet on it. So right now I'm in at 844. I'm in at 844 right now. Just getting my feet wet. I'm not in big size. Again, VWAP's at 930, guys. VWAP's all the way at 930. So no reason to be in big or no reason to be at all if you guys are playing the key levels, right? All right, guys, coming down a little bit lower here on VRNA. 820s now. This is good, guys. I don't really mind if it comes lower. I don't. Just setting up for a better trap. APDN pushing. I would have liked APDN if I had shares a short. So kind of what I would see, guys, on VNRA, what I think's going to happen, we're just going to get some swipes coming, right? We're going to get some swipes. Someone's going to start buying up all the offers. Have like a leg to like 870, 875. Then on pullbacks, I want to see dips holding. We start to push higher. Then dips from there starting to hold. Then we reclaim VWAP. That's where I look to add some more size. And then from there, go off to the races. But we'll see, guys. We'll see. It doesn't have to happen, right? Nothing's guaranteed in trading, right? For all we know, VRNA could fade back to $6 today, right? You know? That's why I'm only in a small position right now, right? All right, guys. VRNA testing 8. So testing this $8 line. RMBO. All right, there's RMBO. Yeah, just a little caution on this one, right? It was up a lot, and there was no borrows anywhere that I could recall. All right, there's a nice little move there, RMBO. 23. All right, Shire done for the week. All right, man. Have a fantastic weekend, dude. See you Monday. All right, guys. So watch VRNA here. The tape's changed a little bit here, guys. That's what I'm telling you. It has that look to me that it's swipe. But we'll see though. I don't want to get ahead of myself. Sticking to my game plan. My next ads will be over VWAP. So there's the first little swipes there, guys. First little swipes here on VRNA. Let's see if some key levels can start to hold now. You guys see the tapes change now a little bit. But I want to see key levels hold, right? I want to show me that it's real momentum. Maybe it's just a big cover or two. So I want to see if these this 850 can start to hold here. Come on, you're doing a good job, VRNA. This would be beautiful if we could follow through here. It's 10 a.m. also. Perfect timing. All right, guys, 850 looking like it's trying to hold here. Let's see. I'm just watching this closely, guys. Starting to perk a little bit. Volume coming in. All right, guys. So just watching, right? We're still not over 9. We're still not over 920. Not over VWAP yet. Yes, we're perking. Yes, we're tape speeding up a little bit, but all right, I want to see this 850s refresh here. I want to see 850s refresh. Come on. Come on, 850s. Got to refresh. Come on, let's do it, VRNA. Let's end off this Friday with a bang. Come on. See VCNX too. I'm watching that one. Starting to swipe a little bit. There's some fail follow through there, VRNA. Same thing, VCNX fell, follow through also. I'm still sticking to the stop, guys. Still sticking to the stop, though, right? You know, even though we're having some fell follow through here, you know, I would have liked to seen it push there. Yes, you know, it came up to 850s. We swiped a little bit. It's unfortunate, but you know, I got to give it a little room here. You guys see how they mess with you, right? They make it look like it's going to fail, and then they just swipe it back up. It's crazy. That's why I always tell you guys, stick to your stop, right? They'll try to stop you out and then run it. Nice traps right there, right, guys? Look dead. I thought it was going to crack 8 there and swipe right back up to 870. Let's see, though. Still, yeah, it's nothing yet until we get over like 9, 9, 10, right? You know, nothing yet. We're still on the backside of the trend, right, guys? We're still, you know, on the bearish side. So until we get over that VWAP mark, until we start to reclaim, nothing yet. All right, guys. So right into 9 here. Let's see. I'm just watching it. High alert here. Come on, VNRA. This is it. Come on, VNRA. Let's do it. Come on. Nice. Come on. I want to see 9s hold. Good trap so far. Come on. If we reclaim, I'm going to look to add if we start reclaiming here. Okay, just added. Nice. Come on, VNR. Let's do it. Come on. Little clap, little clap, little clap. Come on. First target, guys, will be 10. First target will be 10. I'll look to sell half. If it's like 970, 980 and it's struggling, not going to be stingy over like 10, 20 cents. I'll sell half. Just hoping like there's no big stuff. Just hoping there's no big stuff on it. So I want to see this 920 start to hold. Come on, VRNA, let's do it. Let's work. Sweet. Here we go, guys. Here we freaking go, guys. Let's go. Come on. All right, guys. I did sell a little there at 950, and I didn't even sell half. I sold like a quarter. Sold a little right there, just to protect. You know, we've been seeing some weird stuff happening, but I'm still holding a good amount, guys. Still holding a good amount. Yeah, we're looking good, Russell. We're looking good, man. As these pullbacks hold, man, shorts are in deep trouble. Shorts are in deep trouble. If these pullbacks are holding here, we could be seeing, some new highs. Come on, VNRA. Let's do it. Come on, VNRA. Let's do it. Same thing, guys. They made it look weak again there and then swiped it back up. Let's see here how 950s reacts this round. Same exact trap they did just a moment ago. They pulled it in there, made it look weak, and then ripped it back up. But I am just going to sell a little bit more here, just to be safe, guys. I still have a lot of shares though. Still have a decent position, but I'm up $1 per share almost. Gonna lock some in. So currently I have 3,000 shares left here. 3,000 shares left. To hold here. So there we go. There's 10. Oh, there we go, guys. Beautiful. Come on, guys. Gotta give that a clap. Guys. Read it like a book. We read it like a book. If I was like a second later that I sell those shares. This is what it is though. All right, guys. So a little bit more too there. First, that's target right. Target met there, $10. The rest, I can see if we get 11 out of it. See if we get 11 out of it. So my remaining shares, guys, I'm looking for 11 on it and being patient with it. Damn, that freaking sell got me there. Is what it is, though. Still a nice trade. Yeah, that's the problem, Preston, right? They make it look weak on you, right? When you're in a fade, it's just fading and it's weak. But, with these longs, man, they trap really good. They make it look weak and then they rip it up. Like right here, right? They're not holding 10 and then all of a sudden the bids could come in and reclaim 10. You're like, oh, maybe it's going to peak here at 10 and then it dumps. It's tough. It's tough holding long. It is. But guys, definitely lock in, guys, along the way, right? We just hit $10. I was in there from mid eights. So definitely, guys, lock something in at 10. You do you, but not a bad idea to lock something in at 10, right? $10, a strong resistance mark. So really, emotions are out of the trading now. Really, there's nothing really tied to it anymore. I'm out pretty much all my position. I'm just holding this last piece in case we kind of get nutty over 10. Damn, I didn't even realize, guys, we actually hit 8 on the noggin. So I was 1 cent away from getting stopped out on that starter. Nice, good trade, Preston. Good trade, man. I like seeing the longs. And that's the nice thing, I know you guys don't love the early starters, but I mean, pretty much when I added, it never came red on me. I was never once red on me when I added there. All right, so I'll let you guys know if I stop out of this small position that I have left over. If 950 start to fail, I'm probably looking to take it off. Let's see. I'll kind of get like maybe an over-under of 950. So I feel like this is kind of where they would trap it. They'd probably make 950s look like it's going to fail, and maybe some more shorts who got stopped out start to slam. There's VCNX, guys. There's VCNX. Looks like there's an offer there. Let's see, though. There is an offer there, but let's see how it reacts. Oh, it was only 10K. Thought it was bigger. Let's see, guys. This could get. If we start reclaiming 10 again here, we can see another leg. See how the price action looks. Yeah, if we fail here, we're probably going back down to 9. Let's see. But they do that. Let's see. All right, guys. So kind of 50-50 right here. Kind of 50-50 right here. Starting to get a little bit heavier at the same time. You know, we've seen them do this where they make it look pretty weak and swipe it up. So kind of in we're 50-50 zone right here. Whether we're gonna kind of break down, fall back to 9 or swipe back up to 10. But you guys should all have a a trailing stop loss, right? You know, if you're holding some shares left, like I am, at some point you got to look to secure that. Last thing you want to do is be up green on a trade nicely, and then you go red. I'm telling you guys, the worst thing you could do. Nice. They did it again. They did it again, guys. Very nice. Got some true pros at work here. Let's see if they get it back over 10. I'm sure a lot of shorts who just slammed there or looked to add it, thought it was going to, come down. They're probably risking over-under on 10. Come on, let's see if we get 11. Let's see if I could add to my padding today. That'd be nice. Get 11 on this. How's RMBL doing? How'd that one do? That was the hard to borrow one, or no borrows available. Hey, not bad. Come on, VRNA, don't rug pull right at 10. There we go. Come on, let's get over 10. Come on, VRNA. You could do it. You could do it. Little trouble there getting over 10. At 990s. Giving it some trouble. Nice, there we go. Oh, we may even halt here. Very nice. See, all the shorts are risking 10, guys. You saw that? It's how it, just massively just swiped there. Almost halted. 1067 circuit. We may halt here. Come on, let's halt. Let's do it. Circuit. There we go. Right into a halt. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful right there, guys. Major swipes, huge covers in there. Freaking amazing. Great, traps on this one. Read it like a book, guys. Read it like a book. I kind of noticed early on that the tape looked thin. It didn't look heavy at all to me. It didn't look like there was a seller in there. Just the way it was trading, how it was still free flowing, even though it was falling. Took an early starter there, 844. Almost stopped out on it, but ultimately held that $8 line. Curled on up, was being patient, waited to put in, size in the trade, and I got it. Got it over there over 9. Started buying some, added some more, build it up to my max size position, and yeah, what more could I say, guys? Just holding a small portion left. I kind of wish that I held more, obviously, but it is what it is. I did sell majority, but I'm still holding some. Is anyone still holding with me, guys? Anyone? Any of you guys? Is my chat frozen here? You guys haven't talked in a long time. Yeah. Chat's been frozen. I was gonna say, it's like no one's even saying anything. Here we go. Oh wow, a lot of messages. Tons of messages. That's what I'm saying, Preston. I totally agree, man. It's definitely easier to hold a fade because it's just so weak, and it's much easier. I totally agree with that statement. Yeah, Uncle G, I'm still in, man. I'm still in, Uncle G. Fucking sick trade, guys. K-Mac, are you still in, man? From 841, you monster. Man, imagine I was holding my position, my whole position. I had like 6K shares. So guys, probably after the hold, I'll be looking to probably lock things up. Can this go to 13, 14 bucks? It sure can. But, as we start to come up to, pre-market highs, the unpredictability starts to come in here, guys. I can kind of predict possibly a move to pre-market highs, maybe a little bit above, but after that, after a certain point, it's like it's really tough to predict. I mean, how much higher this thing can go. It can go to 20. Who the hell knows? So I'll be looking to lock things up. Probably right after this hold. I'll give it like a couple seconds and look to exit. It's nice, guys. Nice to get a good solid trade on the stream. Because a lot of these plays recently have been off stream, like wave 2s, wave 3s, but it's good to get a nice one on stream. All right, guys, so we may be opening up any second here. It's a 5-minute. All right, here we go, guys. We are open here. Nice, very nice. Gonna look to lock in here, guys. Could we get over 11? It was looking like it, but we was having trouble there. Could he get over 11? Let's see. Yes, there it is. There's 11s. There's 11s. Nice. What did I get out of there? I got out of like 1090. 1090. Sick one, guys. Yeah, guys, I made 7.2 R on that trade. 7.2 R. I did have 5,000 shares. I sold 5,000 shares for $1 a share. I made 5 R on that. I probably should have held like 2,000 left. I don't know, but it doesn't matter, guys. 7 R. I'm taking that. Sick trade. Worked out perfectly. You guys go back and look at my my thoughts on it. I think I put it in Discord. Where is it? I definitely wrote it. Here we go. Game plan, VRNA. Small morning pop, fails, comes into 790, 725. Kind of adjusted that at the open. I said, look for like $8.50s, $8. But I mean, came to $8, so pretty much 790. Bottoms there, bases, higher lows, and reclaims around 10 a.m. Small morning pop, fails, came down to 790. What time did we reclaim? 10:07. That's it, guys. It's predictable, guys. You just have to think like a market maker, kind of think like a manipulator. How would you trap this stock? And then kind of gauge and read the price action. Is it looking thin? Is it looking heavy? What's the float on it? What's the statistics? I know it was a 5 million float stock. I know Centerpoint had easy to borrow shares. It was a high IO name. That's it, guys. I have a checklist every single day, and and then I confirm with price action volume in the chart. And that's it. That's it, guys. I mean, that's how I do it. But all right, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Good Friday, guys. Great trades. I hope you guys killed it today. If not, no worries, guys. We're in a fantastic market right now with tons of opportunity. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, just DM me or message me in chat. I'm out, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.